Hello guys, and welcome to my channel, Crafting My Way. Today I'm going to be working with a few things starting my summer DIY decors. Here is a free printable. I just googled it. I'm not really for sure which site it was from. I just googled free printable checkerboard, and this came up, so I decided to print it out. And so what I'm going to do is just Mod Podge it to the vase that I got from the dollar store. And this summer is pretty close to like last summer. What I will be doing is using my black and white and my yellows. I just really love that, and with some of the lemons. And so right here I'm just using the Mod Podge on this to get it to fit around the vase, and then later I will put it on my fireplace, and it turns out quite cute. And I will also be doing another one with the smokers. I think they call it the smoker basket, where I add a few of my floral designs to that. And let me know guys down in the comment section below, are you going with a special color for the summer, or exactly what are you doing? Are you just doing your farmhouse, doing things that year round that you can use for the summer and all year round? Just let me know. I always love to know what everybody's doing in their crafting rooms, in their areas. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate that. So here it wasn't quite wide enough, but I did have enough left that I can another page that I measured it and then glued it together. And I will add some greeneries to this and put it on my fireplace, and it turns out really cute for me. And you can, if you decide to, you can always glue it, but I just decided to Mod Podge it. Maybe the glue would have been better, but this is what I decided to do for this particular project here. And it did not take long at all. And then I'm going to do my smoker's basket and let you guys see and tell me what you think of that. Okay, and right here is a smoker basket. I did get it from Michael's, which it was on sale. And here I'm just going to put some greeneries and put some of my yellow flowers down that I got from some from Hobby Lobby, some from the dollar store. And here, as I said, it's the smoker's basket, and I will zip tie it to do my flowers. And then in the center I'm going to just add a lemon to it. And I'm going to use my easy bow maker once to make the bows that I want to put on the top of my basket here. And right here, just to cover the little clip from the zip tie. I'm sorry, got tongue tied there. So here I'm using my easy bow maker. I did get it from Amazon, but you can get it a little cheaper from your crafting stores or wherever. Just look up in easy bow maker. This one did come from the from Amazon. And right here, my bows, I got this from Amazon as well. I have the little bumblebees, and I have the different colors here. So I'm just using my bow maker, which it does make, when you're making more than one bow, it's so easy to do. And I just do my ducktails and put my bows here at the top of the basket, and I will put it also on my fireplace, and it turns out really nice. I wasn't for sure, I had been looking for one, wasn't for sure where I can get it from, so this one ended up being on sale at Michael's. And so I will zip tie my my bows and then glue it to the top of my basket, and I set that also on my fireplace, which it turns out really cute with the yellow and the black. I'm just really loving that this year. And this is the finishing of my flower vase and my basket. Please tell me what you think. And please don't forget to subscribe.